Welcome to the step-by-step guide to how to play Ninja Combat. Ninja Combat has 4 basic steps, which is turn, play, flip, roll. But we're going to go into a bit more detail here. Just refer to the rules to how to set the game up, but basically you have to put the 4 combat cards to the side in a pile face down. Now, after that, deal each player 5 cards. Once each player has 5 cards, you will turn over a combat card. In this case, strength was turned over. Step 3, both players play a ninja card. So they'll play a ninja card out of their hand. Step 4, you have to flip the ninja coin. Now the ninja coin can either be flipped and land on me, which will use the flipper of the coin's card, or it could land on you, which will be using the opposing player's card. The flip of the ninja coin will decide whose card will be used. The coin landed on the me side, so we will use the card played by GENIN. After that, you roll the dice. Now, in this case, the dice has been rolled and an 8 has come up. This creates the question. Now, the question that we're using is 9 times 8, and it is 9 times 8 because we are using Shogun, the card played by GENIN, and the strength number is number 9, so it is 9, and the number rolled on the dice was 8. So therefore, the question would be 9 times 8 on this occasion. Moving on, the first player to answer the question correctly wins the round. So in this case, GENIN answers correctly with 72, and therefore GENIN wins that round. The winner of the round takes all of the cards played and puts them into their hand. They can use any of those cards later in the game. Lastly, Supreme takes a card from the deck as he must have 5 cards and he lost a card in that round. Then repeat from step 2 until the deck is used. The winner is the player with the most cards in the end. Now, moving forward to the specialty cards being explained. There are 4 types of specialty card. The first one we're going to be looking at is the Death Adder. The Death Adder is known as a duo card, which means it must be played along with another ninja card. Playing the Death Adder will turn the question into an addition question rather than a multiplication question. So in this case, the question would become 9 plus 8 instead of 9 times 8. And of course, the answer is 17. The second specialty card is Subtractor. It is also a duo card which must be played along with another ninja card. And in this case, it will turn the question into a subtraction question, and we will take the smaller number from the bigger number every time. The question will become 9 take 8, and of course the answer is 1. The third specialty card that we're looking at is Mr. Ninja. And this is a single play card and it can be played by itself. Now the special thing about Mr. Ninja is if the combat card turned over is strength or memory, the player of that card will get to choose what number is used in the question. So in this case, GENIN wanted the number to be 5. So because it was a strength combat card, he got to choose a number and he turned it into 5. Now the last specialty card is Shinobi Hava. Another single play card can be played by itself, and in this case the question will be changed to half of whatever the number is rolled on the dice. So at the end, whatever the number is rolled on the dice, then that you need to half that if you're using Shinobi Hava. In this case, the question would become what is half of 8, and of course that is 4.